Hey guys, I'm Cawsome1 and I am a new YouTuber. Hope you enjoy this tour and I am very nervous. Here is the sunflower field. This is all in the 5 area, by the way. Hi Cawsome4. Yeah, one of my friends. And she's in the mushroom field. Stickbug's up there, as you can see. I cannot summon him because I don't have translator from Science Bear, which is all the way over there somewhere. This is the dandelion field. Yeah. Beware for all different kinds of mobs, by the way. That's the clover field, and the brown bear's over there, and the wolf cocker's there. Mother bear's in that shack, and she can also you buy treats there as well. And black bear's over there. They all give you quests for rewards. And over there's the blue flower field. And if I take the slingshot, it'll take me over to the 10B area. There's another shop here, and then this is the pineapple field. And Stump's up there. Stump Snail has 13 million health. You can buy magic beans there. And here's Science Bear that I was talking about earlier. And down here we have Panda Bear, which also gives you quests for rewards. And Bamboo Field is here as well, and same as Cobweb Field, which is what I like to call it instead of Spider Field. And this is Strawberry Field as well. Now we'll go up into the 15 area so the pine tree area, which is where I was grinding earlier before I started recording this video. Pumpkin and cactus. Down there is the rose field. I'll cover some more stuff in the next video, but now we're going up to the 25 area. And Polar Bear's right here, so you can grab more quests from him. His quests are super easy to complete. Here's the 25 area. Yep, Mondo Chick spawns here, and it's in the mountaintop area. If we glide from the mountaintop downwards to this star area, you can actually claim a royal jelly per gifted bees, and then you can generate amulets from how many different types of gifted bees you have. Then if we go over here to the ant challenge, you can claim your free ant pass, and then you can spend and to use the ant pass dispenser, and you can also play it as well. But yeah, there's a shop there if you need it. Oh, there's also a shop in Mountaintop. But now we'll go to the 35B area, which is what I unlocked recently. Coconut crab, very hard to defeat. There's Spirit Bear here, and there's Pepper Patch and the Wingtrans up there. And then in here, there's a petal wand and a petal belt, and there's actually a secret. So if you come behind here, there's a secret passageway down here, which can lead you to a star jelly, which transforms a bee into a gifted bee, and it also changes the types of bees. Last but not least, we're going to cover the 30 area, which you need 30 bees to go in. You need to discover 25 different types of bees to fire the red cannon. So you go up here, past Mondo, if he's spawned or not. You climb up here. There's an egg down there, and I've already got it, but yeah. And here's Onet. He gives you Star Journey quests, and then up there's road to some stuff up there. Thank you guys for watching my first ever video. Bye.